Alright friends, now let's learn how to use for each loop with two-dimensional arrays in Java. With for each loop, we first access each row of the matrix. Then we use a second for each loop to access the element inside each row. I'm accessing the column here. So let's use same matrix as we use in our previous lesson. So for accessing each element, I need to open two for each loop. I come here, I say for each. So in my outer loop, I am accessing each row. So that's why I change this name. I say row. So I open my second for each loop. So I am accessing each element. So I come here, I say row, and then that's my each element. Alright. But also I need to delete my square brackets. Alright. So what I need to do, I need to print my each element. I come here, I use system.out.println, and then I give my element. I give a space between each element. Okay, let's run it. You see, I printed all my elements. If I want to print on the same line, I change println to print. So I save it, I run again. You see, I printed all my elements. If I print these elements as a matrix, what I need to do? After printing the row elements, I pass to the other row. So that's why I come here, I say system.out.println. That assure me to go to the next line. Alright. So I run again. You see, here I print my first row, and then this for each loop ends. I go to the next line using system.out.println, and then I am in the second row. So I print my second row. So I go to the next line using system.out.println, and then I print my third row. Let's check it. In my first row, this is my row. So I'm accessing each element. First, my element is 1, and then I loop through again. My element is 2. I loop through again. My element is 3. So I print each element, and between each element I put one space, and then this loop ends. So I go to the next line using this println. I go to the next line. So row becomes this 4, 5, and 6. And then I am accessing each element. My element is 4 at the beginning. So it loops through again. It becomes 5. It loops through again. It becomes 6. So I print each element, and then I go to the next line. So my row becomes this. So I access each element. At the beginning, my element is 7. And then I loop through again. My element becomes 8. I loop through again. My element becomes 9. I print all elements. And this outer loop also ends at the end. I hope you understand it. Super.